What is the difference between your home and your house? Well, a house is a building. It could be an apartment or a house or a farm. But these are just buildings. Maybe your home is somewhere else. I've lived all over the world, and not every place I lived felt like my home. Sometimes it's just where I live. Because for me, home has to do with the people and the memories. So, any place I am, if my loved ones or family are there, that's home for me. Someday, I hope to have a house that I live in that also feels like my home. I'm getting married soon, and we're gonna be starting a new life. And because of that, hopefully, soon I'll have a house that's also a home.